Good morning all. We have left the house in northeast Thailand and we are currently in Bangkok. Apple and I are on a very special side trip. Why is that, Apple?
Because this is gonna be our 12th year anniversary.
That's right, you guys. Valentine's Day, February 14th is coming. That is our 12-year wedding anniversary. So we wanted to take some time and go celebrate. So we are headed to Trot, actually the place where we very first met. I will get more into the logistics of it all later, but we're gonna jump on this little plane right here. We have a very short domestic flight to where we're going. We will see you on the ground. Captain Kraut.
Okay, nice and cool.
Yes.
And he got some snacks too, some free snack from the airline.
Oh, she is our driver.
Oh, cool.
Okay, you guys, so we have made it to Trot Airport. So just a little bit of the logistics. Many years ago when I first started coming to Thailand, they only had one international airport, Don Mueang Airport. And after a number of years of me going back and forth, they came up with a new airport, Suvarnabhumi International Airport. It's not so new anymore, but of course it's quite modern comparing the two to each other. So the old or original airport pretty much was supposed to be, I think it was just supposed to be a military airport. I think that was the original plan for it. But some of the airlines decided to utilize Don Mueang Airport for their operations. So for us in Nakhon Phanom, we fly from Sakonnakhon Airport to Don Mueang Airport. That particular airline uses that airport. And then the airport that we need to get to fly here to Trot, they use Suvarnabhumi Airport. So the distance between the two isn't so great, but sometimes with traffic, it's impossible to make the connection. And the flight times and that sort of thing, at least for us, this particular trip, we could not make the connection. So we had to overnight in Bangkok. So we made that first flight yesterday, and then this morning, as you see, we just made it here to Trot. Now we have about a 50-kilometer drive to the ferry that takes us to Kood. So we're not in an extreme rush, but we have been in the past. Sometimes we have to really rush to make the ferry, but today is not one of those days, so things are somewhat relaxed. So that's what's up. We are headed to Kood. Apple and I met in Koh Chang. So we have 5 nights in Kood, and then we have 5 nights in Koh Chang. And that is what we're up to. And we are bringing you guys along with us. And we've received a lot of questions. People are really curious about how Apple and I met. So in the next few days, we're going to drop a video with some older photos. We're going to explain the details of how we met to answer the questions for those of you that are curious. We even have some old wedding video from our Thai ceremony. So some of you may find that interesting, some of you may not. I have no idea, but we're going to put it out there regardless. And that is it. We are on our way to the boat. So we made it. Yay! All right, guys, more later.
Yes.
She's calling me, like the rainbow, She's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
So we have made it to Kood Paradise Beach. Gonna show you guys our room before we mess it all up and hang our stuff everywhere. The beach is right there. Very nice sandy beach. Our bungalow is here. And this is it.
Hello.
Hello. Well, there's somebody in my room. This is a nice, good place. Comes with girls.
We have a nice bed.
How's the mattress?
Ooh.
Is it good?
Yes.
It's not crazy?
It's very nice one.
Okay. What's going on back here?
I believe this is vanity. Yep. And
Okay, closet.
robe and slippers, closet, mini bars, hot water, safe, box, shower.
Okay. Also, big bathroom.
Yes, dreams don't work unless you do.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true.
Wouldn't be here without work. And that looks like it's about it, you guys. Just a small room, nice bungalow. We're not going to be in this room that much anyway. And this is our view, somewhat obstructed, but you can see the ocean right there. And I can't wait to jump in it. So that is it. We are starting our adventure on Kood. And I don't know what's going on except for I need to eat and I need to swim. And I don't know which one I'm going to do first. I think eat.
Eat first.
Eat first. Okay, eat first, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm doing it. It's a little late. It's like, I think it's 5 o'clock, maybe even a little later. But I need a tan. And I'm not going to get one today. But I need to get in this ocean. And I'm sure the water's going to be nice and warm. And the sun is going down. Oh, yeah. Oh, here comes Apple. Now, Apple is not a good swimmer, but she's a really good sport. So it's very shallow, so I'm sure she'll come out here. She'll be just fine.
Coming for you, my love. Coming through the web. I made it.
All right, you guys, we have made it to Kood. We are going to be here for 5 nights, I believe, right? 5 nights?
Yes.
Yeah, so 5 nights here. I don't know what kind of misadventures we're gonna get into, but we are gonna take you guys along with us. We're gonna have a nice dinner tonight. We did eat some food already, but
Small one.
yeah, small. I didn't want to gorge because I wanted to leave room for a nice dinner. So we finally made it, and I'm just really happy to finally be in the ocean. So it's very beautiful.
Quenching with the sun.
Yeah, we'll see what happens with the weather, because it looked like we were having spotty weather with rain and whatever, so I'm not really sure, but it's probably going to make things comfortable. At least it won't be super hot. So we've been here once before. We actually stayed at the resort over there, but as you can probably see, the beach is not sandy. It's all rocks and stone. So when we stayed over there, we actually walked over here and spent all of our time over here. In fact, Apple, is that the swing that we were on right there? Yeah.
That time it was nobody else, only 2 of us. It seemed like we on this beach.
Yeah, it was low season though.
Yeah.
So, all right, you guys, that's it for right now.